Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys basic of running Python code and how to install Python. Python is a program language. This is used for web development, software development, mathematics and system scripting. You can find out already you install a Python or not. Simply go into the search bar and type in command prompt. Go to command prompt, type in Python dash version and enter. Okay, now you can see Python version is not recognized as an internal or external command. Okay, now I'm going to download Python. Type in Google www.python.org and click download Python. Alright, now you can see Python for Windows. Note that Python 3.9 plus cannot be used on Windows 7 or earlier. Okay, download Python. You can see now we downloaded Python 3.11.0. Click on it. Okay, install Python select install now. Install Python with the default setting. Install now. I'm going to click that. Asking, do you want to allow this app to make a change to your device? I'm going yes. Now installing setup progress. Take a little bit time to speed up your computer, so gonna be between 2 to 3 minutes gonna be installed the Python. Okay, now you can see setup was successful. Now Python start with the online tutorial and documentation. At your terminal type py to launch Python. To search Python in your start menu. After download, then you can find out Python install in your computer. Earlier I searched that type in right here the search bar command prompt. Then same thing I'm going to find out Python already installed. Python is already downloaded thing. I go to search bar and type in Python. Okay, now you can see that app already pop up Python 3.11 64-bit, and then you can click on that. Yes, Python already successfully downloaded 3.11. Then you can work. Okay, I want to find out example of what is 5 plus 6 and question mark, enter. Now you can see syntax error. What is Python syntax error? You using misusing, misspelling, missing invalid syntax in code. It is given a syntax error. That's the example that syntax error. In Python terminal you have to syntax meaning, set of rules, define the programming language. Example giving 5 plus 6 enter. That's given 11. 5 plus 6, that's given 11. That's called Python syntax. Okay, I'm going to give an example for syntax program language. I'm going to print open quote, type in how are you. So I'm going to put spaces like that and close, enter. So you can see spacer doesn't really matter for the outcome. It came out correct code. How are you? Now I'm going to give an example for syntax error code. Type in print, open, how are you? So I not put the code, missing the code, then I'm going to close. Now you can see that syntax error because I am missing that code. You can see outcome came out syntax error because I am missing that code, missing the correct code, giving the error, syntax error. Okay, I'm going to work with some numbers. I'm going to work with some numbers. 6 plus 7, enter. You can see that giving the 13, then 5 multiply 8, 40, then another one, 8 divided 6, came out 1.3, and do some subtract 9 minus 8, enter, as given 1. You can work with numbers, multiply, divided, subtract, adding, percentage as well. Okay, if you want to exit from a Python terminal, you have to type in exit and open and close parenthesis and enter. Now you can see that Python terminal already exit. Now you know basic about Python, how to download Python and type in programming language. Also you know what is the meaning of syntax error and Python syntax.